everyone, it's Cheryl Hampton here again with my next video in my 90-day video documentary challenge. My come up video as we're calling them. I wanted to talk today about the power of a group of like-minded people. I found recently, in conversation with someone the other day, I was telling them that I realized that there aren't so many negative people around anymore. I don't have them on my Facebook. I don't have any of those people that are really, making bad comments on anything or, snide remarks or anything like that. I also have realized that in my day-to-day life, I really don't run into too many of them. And I think it's partly because of the people I've chosen to surround myself with. The people I work with in my day job are awesome. My friends, my family are pretty awesome also, but also the groups that I've joined. I joined a group over a year ago called the Global Information Network, and it's completely made up of people who practice the law of attraction, as well as just being really decent, solid, good people that I've been able to be around. I've recently gotten into Empower Network, and there's super amazing group of super women that I just love and I'm learning so much from. I also, the third thing that I've done is just started a women's networking group here in San Diego with a company called Chicks Connect. And we had our first meeting the other day, and it was just awesome, just realizing how supportive and how helpful all these women are going to be with each other and with me, with everything that we're doing in our businesses and in our lives. The thing that these all three have in common that I'm realizing are the amazing women that I'm really meeting. There are so many powerful, incredible women out there, and I just encourage you, if you are interested in any of the groups that I'm working with, or even anything of your own, if you have a group you can join, or just some friends you can get together with and network with, and just to be able to be friends with and do things with, it's just powerful. It's super powerful having like-minded, wonderful, positive, uplifting people that will support you in anything that you want to do. So make sure you have those people around you. Also, I would love if you click the links below. I'll give you some information on anything that I'm doing if you're interested in. Like me on Facebook, please, so I can be your friend there too. And I'd love to hear from you. So comment on my YouTube channel if you'd like to put some comments there. Subscribe to my page, and just see you around. Any social media you find me on, feel free to just connect. I would love to be able to meet you and connect with you. So have a great day. Enjoy your holiday weekend, and we'll be back again tomorrow for the next video.